Massive greetings in the name of the Most High. This is Daddy Reds for Daddy Reds Promotions, and this is Talking News. In this episode, I just want to show a video regarding Sting, and if it makes sense, are they trying to destroy dancehall, or are they bringing it back? You know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe, share. Show that you care. Talking News is here. That's right. In this episode, a video surfaced on the internet like 2 days ago. And the one Omar Henry, I think they call him Flex. It's like he burned a fire on the promoters for Sting. And to tell you the truth, I've been keeping quiet because I was going to be a part of that event. But like the artist running, she's scared of my artist, Phoenix Flame. So you know how that go. They don't want to be dead up there in St. Anne, but it's all good. But honestly, some things are said in this video that if you're really listening, they're gonna make sense. But I give my quick 2 cents and then I'll let the video do the talking. Really, when I see certain people are not being booked, like something wrong with 90s artists, that is the wickedest and best and only authentic era of dancehall. Everything else made that, so I mean 90s and earlier. You understand? But this stuff that's going on today is nothing but hip-hop they're singing. It's a different music. You can't say music change when you start doing American music, then you market it to the world as Jamaican music, and that's what's going to be. It's going to be a display of pure Sodom, Satanism, Batiism, lesbianism, fuckery, and all of that. Without further ado, I'm done with that. Yo, take it away, brethren.
Serious thing I going over here, sir, right now. On the tag every day and tag. Tag length and the big head one every day. A serious thing I going over here now, cause me really want to know what going on in a dance hall. Serious situation I going over here, so now, my people. This not have nothing to do with no joke, have nothing to look no cloud, or nothing. You know, say me a boy, me not too tech live and go up and live and them something there. But here what I go on now. On the tag Mr. Leng. And every day. Because I go on like I want to build back dancehall, when I mash up dancehall and I mash up reggae music single-handedly. Artists not try spite. Entertainers not try spite. You have if you say I want to build artists, and if artists no work Sting, nothing I go on for them the next year. And that you say, you know. If any artist when I work Sting the previous year, next year nothing now go on for them. And how much year Sting no keep now? How much year Sting no keep now? And una come back with the greatest one night show up on earth. Zane? Alright. Big up Amari and big up Queenie. Zane? Cause everything I run off of social media now. Social media is a place. You see it, if you not have 100k followers and rare and not up on social media and a chat a bag of fuckery, coming like people not see you. See it? But how come now? The greatest one night show on earth. First you say you don't want a 90s artist on a show. You start discriminate the artists them with bill blood clot Sting over the years. You don't want a 90s artist on a show. And look who no gonna book for Clash. Pan Sting. Look pan who no gonna book for Clash pan Sting. You no see say when I joke. You no see say when take reggae dancehall music for one big bumbo clot joke thing. You no see that Amari have a hit song in a dancehall? Queenie have a hit song in a dancehall? What you really a deal with? Then you say, you don't want a 90s artist in a dancehall. When them artists are nowadays, them can ever work for Bumbleclad half hour good. I don't understand what you really a deal with in a dancehall. You say, you help dancehall when I help down dancehall and I try build on yourself. I discriminate against the dancehall artists them. Alright, we don't want no 90s dancehall artists. Alright. If you don't want a 90s dancehall artist on the stage, on the thing, alright, yeah? Well, everybody can do what they want to do. Book some good artists then, my youth. Uno book artists for the show. And stop going like you want style dancehall. Oh, that a go. Oh, that a go. Amari and Bumbleclad Queenie a clash. Me no business who wants to say me a this and me a that or whatever. Me know when me a chat about. Me know when me a chat about. Me would go sting. If you go watch Amari and Bloodclad, that a joke thing that youth. What do really I deal with? What do really I deal with, bro? Had that with dancehall gone to? Had that reggae music gone to? Eh? Had that reggae music gone to? Uno could find 2 artists and spend no money and do something proper. Uno say uno want a 90s artist, so that mean uno dash a Bounty Killer, uno dash a Beanie Man, uno dash a Bujo, uno dash a some of the greatest performers them in a dancehall. All because uno no want pay the artists them wanna rob over the years and get smart up and know say yo. Remember say the last thing we keep if I never Joe Bogdanovich it would have gone because no artist would perform for length and every day because all you do is rob the artists them and give them down payment and when them go back for them rest of money bad them up So the 90s artists them, I know uno no want book them and them no want work for uno. To uno deal with the artists them over the years. You see it? And the artists them don't want work with uno. You understand what I say? I know now come talk about artists want take a bag of money and artists want this and artists want that. Fuck Rona chat. Fuck Rona chat. I rape the business. Rape reggae dancehall music. Rape reggae dancehall music and I trick the young youth them. Trick the young youth them. Bet you any money after Sting. You go hear be a young youth start ball so them not get the rest of them down payment after Sting. Cause you, Mr. Leng, you have that luck. You have that luck. For bad up the artists them and use your police friend and intimidate the youth them. So when the big artists them nowadays now want to work on the talk about uno no want the 90s artists, but are smart, the artists them smart. Cause if you now go book the 90s artists, them you have to pay them the whole of them money one time. Uno can't pay no down payment and then after show. No, because uno done fuck up that already from long time. Me go through that with uno. Me go through that with uno. You understand? So this new generation of artists now, uno try trick them. And try make it look like say, yeah, we are keep back Sting and Ray, who no want work Sting, them now gonna have no career next year. Listen to fuck Rona chat. Fuck Ray. Fuck Rona chat. Uno want make this bag of money and now want book artists for the show. Uno for go. And uno mash up reggae dancehall art, reggae and dancehall. You big belly every day. Where if you're not manage one artist, you're not do nothing for him. And I wanna hey, let me tell you this, man. Uno for stop the fuckery, man. Uno for stop the fuckery. And that's why reggae music and uno are the same one for come up for forward the quickest and discriminate artists. Oh, the artists they're not hot. The artists they're not now go and film. The artists they this, the artists they that. And the artists are put food pan on the table. The artists are make uno drive car. The artists are make uno family eat. Uno now do nothing for artists. I can pretend. Artists I do everything for you. And that me I try tell you. You Mr. Leng and you Mr. whoever you want name. I mash up music. And I try make one quick money off a Sting this year. Una put up Amari and Bumbleclad Queenie for clash. What kind of clash that? The people them can when the people them are go for hear. Them are go for hear 1 year what a song for coming down to Sting. And one what a 6 month what a war song. Them not all know me na hear one song where Amari put out where she had this Bloodclad Queenie. I mean I hear Queenie put out one song where she had this Amari. So wanna deal with me G? Wanna depend with reggae music? Wanna depend with dancehall music? Wanna deal with wanna joke out with things like a comedian thing? And then the real artists them wanna fling them down. And I discriminate them on them. Eh? What is Sting without a Bounty Killer or a Beanie Man? Uno done see say Mavado and Cartel nago can do them. What about massacre them? Eh? One to them youth, them young youth that will have the song them. So the youth them now want clash for mash up them career. Uno got hey, you see Uno? You see Uno? A long time I watch you know. Uno some gatekeeper. Uno some gatekeeper boy. But here we go on now. You see two of me love reggae music and me love dancehall. No fight things them wanna do me not even make it bother me. Cause no find I go come chat and make no bag attack right now and chat be a fuckery. But you see me stand for when me say. I mean know when me I say I no fuckery. You understand what me I say? No foundation artist, nothing. As some joke thing on I deal with. Some joke thing on I deal with. As a quick money on I look for. Cause a long time now, Leng ain't no money out of music. Cause Joe Bagdanovich. Hey, if I never Joe Bagdanovich last thing, you know. No artist, no perform, you know. Cause Joe make artists come and sting like the last thing we keep, you know. Cause Joe pay the artists them the money when them charge. You, Mr. Leng, you don't like pay. You don't like pay artists. And when artists talk about it, you set your police friend them pan them. And you go on with a bag of things and you diss them. And then next year you say them no hot. You understand what I say? Uno fi stop it. Uno fi stop it and stop discriminate the elder them and the man them will set this boy up. Uno fi keep sting without no 90s artists. What is dancehall now? Where dancehall gone to? Me not this no young artists. Me rate all of the young artists them, but no for uno can't perform. Uno can't hold a crowd. Me I tell you that. Me rate no for uno cause me listen to song them. First of all, uno na topic. I be a scholar and be a who be a thing me soon I bring in a dancehall now. The whole I uno turn Obia man now. Uno na topic, uno na moral. Uno na listen to Sizzler them. Uno na listen to Bounty Killer them. Uno na listen to Beanie them. Uno na listen to Vibes Cartel them and Movado. Uno no do that. Because uno come like nobody no inspire uno. Look where dancehall come from.
Alright, you heard it? Alright, so like, comment, subscribe, share, and show that you care. I am Daddy Reds, and I'm the reggae ambassador, and I will always cause a musical massacre. Dread out for now. This is Talking News.